Hello guys, welcome to the show. I'm your host Harry. So today's big news that Ford stopped manufacturing in India. Ford generally manufacture 5 models for Indian market. US car giant Ford is stopped making cars in India and shut down both of its plants in the country according to the company latest statement. This is due to the Ford has lost more than 2 billion in the past 10 years in India. The company's chief executive Jim Farley said in the statement, we are taking difficult but necessary action to deliver a sustainably profitable business longer term and allocate our capital to grow and create value in the rights area. Ford said it will close the plants in Gujarat and Tamil Nadu state by a second quarter of the 2022, but it would continue to make car engine for export. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching, like, share, and subscribe.